Here we have the metronome tool. At default, it's a metronome where you can just set the number of beats per minute, and from there you can have it run continuously. So let's just say we want to set it to 120 beats per minute. We can type it in, or we can use the scroll wheel. From there, we can hit start. The tool will display the cumulative repetitions and the cumulative time. From there, you have the option of adding sets. So it becomes the metronome timer at this point. And what you can do, again, is you can set the beats per minute, the duration. So let's just say 10 seconds for this instance. 2 sets, and a rest time. Again, we'll do 10 seconds here. From here, you can hit start. And you'll see a countdown of the repetitions and the cumulative time, as well as keep track of the number of sets. So this is set number 1. Three-second countdown. You can pause at any point and resume.
Well done.
And there you have it, the metronome tool.